Mridul Ghosh, a proud Indian Air Force member for 7 years, became quadriplegic after a duty-related accident. With a cervical fracture and complete paralysis below the neck, he required constant care, which was unavailable in his native place. In 2013, he moved to the Army Paraplegic Rehabilitation Center in Pune, where his life transformed. With specialized care and support, he not only regained independence but also pursued higher education, earned a computer diploma, and discovered his talent for mouth painting. What seemed insurmountable became a journey of resilience, achievement, and artistic expression.
तो ये सेंटर हमारे लिए एक वरदान है, आप बोल सकते हैं कि हम इस कंडीशन में जहाँ पे हम लोग को 24 घंटा 2 आदमी का हेल्प चाहिए, इतना अमाउंट ऑफ हेल्प, इतना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और जो मोबिलिटी है, सब कुछ जो चाहिए इंडिविजुअली पॉसिबल नहीं है, लेकिन हम इस सेंटर में ये सब हम लोग को ईजिली अवेलेबल होता है। ये सेंटर हमारा बहुत अच्छा देखभाल करता है। हम जो भी जितना भी अकम्प्लिश कर पाए अपनी ज़िंदगी में इस हालत में, ये सेंटर के वजह से ही है।
The Army Paraplegic Rehabilitation Center was established in 1974, following the 1971 Bangladesh War, where many Indian soldiers suffered spinal cord injuries. As these heroes neared the end of their medical treatment, the need for a place offering more than just care became clear. The center was created to provide not only medical support but also a sense of purpose, community, and dignity. Beyond physical rehabilitation, it offers opportunities for emotional healing, further education, and even skills like mouth painting and call center work, fostering camaraderie and mutual respect among soldiers.
And our main purpose is just not to look after them, to give them a purpose to live. That is very important, and that too with their heads held high, with full pride and dignity. So our aim is to inculcate in them a feeling of positivity, so that they know that it's not that disability but the ability that counts. And they lead an independent life with full pride and dignity with their heads high. Now, to give them a purpose to live, automatically you have something to do. Otherwise, it's not possible.
The center has been a pioneer in wheelchair sports, hosting India's first national wheelchair competition in 1978. Since then, it has become a hub for adaptive sports, with residents excelling in various disciplines. Lance Nayak Suresh Kumar Karki, who was injured in an accident in 2004, rediscovered his passion for sports at the center. After joining in 2005, Karki excelled in wheelchair basketball and went on to captain the Indian para basketball team, becoming a symbol of perseverance and pride for the country.
मैं मिलिट्री हॉस्पिटल में आया तो मुझे पैराप्लेजिक रिहैब सेंटर के बारे में, फिर क्वीन मैरिज टेक्निकल इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में सुना। यहाँ पे स्पोर्ट्स करते हैं, बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज़ होती है, तो उस टाइम मुझे पता लगा कि यहाँ पे भी स्पोर्ट्स होता है। तो मैं एक्चुअली में क्या था, पहले स्टार्टिंग से बचपन से मैं फुटबॉल खेला करता था, तो स्पोर्ट्स में मैं सेंटर टीम तक खेला हूँ। तो फिर मेरा स्पोर्ट्स में पहले से बहुत रुचि था। सो फिर यहाँ पे पता लगा कि मुझे बास्केटबॉल वगैरह खेलते हैं, तो फिर मैं भी MS क्रिकेट से ही जहाँ पे एडमिट था वहाँ से 2006 से आना शुरू किया मैंने यहाँ पे। फिर उनको जो सीनियर्स लोगों को खेलते हुए देखा, फिर उनको देखते हुए मैंने भी खेलना सीखा।
India has always honored its soldiers, not just on the battlefield, but in their journey beyond it. The Paraplegic Rehabilitation Center in Khadki is a testament to this commitment. It stands as a home of hope, perseverance, and inspiration, where the indomitable spirit of India's armed forces shines. Here, every wheelchair symbolizes sacrifice, every game played is a victory over diversity, and every resident is a hero, proving that strength is defined not by mobility but by willpower.